Hey lads, how are you? I hope you're having a great day. So I am vlogging. So today is Friday the 14th of August and sorry, my camera's a bit crooked. There we go. Friday the 14th of August and I'm going to Meann tomorrow with my boyfriend and his family. So I thought I'd vlog it because I will be turning 21 during that week. So basically it's about nearly 9:30. So I was going to do my tan and stuff, but I think I might just leave it until tomorrow night when we're actually in the island. So we're leaving for the island tomorrow at around 2, I think. Our thing is 2:30. So I'm basically just going to pack because it's too late to be shaving and tanning and all of that. So I might just leave that till tomorrow evening. But what I'm going to be doing is just literally packing my stuff, and I thought I'll start the vlog, and because I really want to do more vlogs. I thought it would be cool because I'm actually doing something with my life for a week. So yeah, I will do a little packing thing. I have so much to pack and I'm very stressed, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Hey guys, it is the next day. Sorry now, I'm holding you up at a weird angle. It's the next day and I think it's about, sorry I don't have my watch on. It's about 10 to 11. I've been up for a while, so I had a shower. I scrubbed off my fake tan and all of that, and yeah, so I'm just finished packing, I think. I'm pretty sure I have everything. Well, I hope I have everything. And yeah, last night I planned on doing my fake tan and shaving and all of that and little bits like that, and I just got the worst back pain ever. So I went to bed early and just slept. So I'm going to be doing my tan tonight when we get to the island, because I am very pale. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I want a tan. So this is my suitcase, as you can see. I'm still putting bits into it to finalise it and stuff. But that's pretty much it. And then I also have my bag here, which just has like my cosmetics and stuff in it. Please ignore the stage of the room, it's so messy, but it's okay. So our boat is for 2:30, so I'm just going to go down and have some breakfast and I suppose finish packing, and then we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're just in the boat now, as you can see. And it is 20 to 3, so I'll let you know when we're there. Hey guys. Hey guys, so we've just arrived at the house. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll just show you our room now. So we come in through this door and then it looks like this. We put our stuff in, so it just looks like this. There's wardrobe spaces, nice bed, windows, lamp, suitcases, and I'll show you the rest of the house later on. We're just unpacking. I'm gonna get some food. Hi.
recording it?
Yeah.
You can decide.
Who's going next?
Sounds like they're belching.
It does. Encore.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
Hey guys, so it's nearly 7 and we're just going to go to dinner in one of the pubs, and I will show you that, and I'm absolutely starving, so let's go. How are you? So I'm just back from a couple of drinks. It is actually, I don't know what time it is. I don't know where my phone is either, but it's about 11ish I'd say, so I'm just about to do my tan, so I'll just show you. I'm just here, got a mirror, so I'm about to do my tan. I had 2 Bulmers and I am a little bit drunk, but it's okay. I'm not too bad, but I'm just gonna get my tan done and then I am gonna go to bed, but I'll just do my tan. If anyone cares or anything, I'll just put you here. I am just going to be using the Bahama Body in the shade Ultra Dark. I'm just going to be using about 2 layers, oh Jesus, 2 layers of this, and then I'll show you how it looks after. So I'm just doing this right now and then I'll show you how it looks after. Okay, so I've just finished my tan, as you can see. Well, actually, probably can't, hang on. I just did my tan, so I did my hands. I hope they turn out okay, because to be honest, the lighting isn't great, but I hope they turn out okay. I hope it turns out okay. Now the sheets are white, so I'm praying I don't get tan on it, but if I do, it's not the end of the world. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch a movie and have some drinks. Oh, that's a line there. Sorry, just ignore me. I look a bit ratchet, but we're just going to have a couple of drinks and go to bed. It's currently, I don't even know where my phone is. I think I left my phone in the bathroom, but I think it's about 11ish or 11, so I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna talk to you in the morning, show you how my tan looks, and show you the day we have tomorrow, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's now the next day and I am dressed and I washed my first layer of tan off, and my tan actually turned out really bad, but that's fine. But anyway, I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this little dress here. This is from Shein, and I'm just gonna go eat my breakfast and then I'll talk to you later.
They're going to laugh at you.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay, actually. the beach now. Actually, I just wanted to show you something. This is the living room / kitchen area. I was meant to show you this yesterday and I think I forgot. And that's the kitchen. So yeah, myself and Michael are just gonna go to the beach. We might go swimming, we might not. We'll have a look and see. But yeah. Let's go. Do you have everything?
Let's go, Jake Paulers.
Do you have everything? Okay, let's go. Alrighty. Woohoo! I'm on a boat! Everywhere is a gym. Oh, you'll never guess what. Bad news, guys, my camera's flashing red and it wasn't flashing red earlier on. It wasn't flashing red earlier, but I'll get what I can and I'll use my phone as well. But yes, we're going to the beach. I'm so excited.
Actually, if you want to give me the camera.
Oh, look. Oh, hello. Oh, she's shy, isn't she?
Very shy.
Oh, look. Yeah. Look at her little hooves. Hi. Yeah, thank you. Hello. Hello, you're beautiful. Yeah. This horse is just absolutely beautiful. I think it's a Connemara, but if you know, just let me know. You're fine. She's absolutely beautiful. And this is, look how pretty the flowers are. And actually, just as I finished, Michael and I turned off my camera and this hare was like right up to us and just legged it. It was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, and I just wish I could do a closer up, but absolutely stunning. And this horse is just beautiful. doing some stuff, and we're just here. You can see that, so it's absolutely beautiful. You just have to be really careful where you walk, so that's why I'm stopped for a second. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll just show you. Like, look, it's so pretty.
Go on, knock it back. It's nothing nice. You can do this. Oh my god.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's actually 10 to 1. It's the 17th of August, and basically yesterday my camera died, and then Michael and I came back from the beach and I actually felt quite sick. I got really bad back pain and pelvic pain and stuff, so I didn't film, but then I was fine, and what's wrong with my throat? We stayed up, we drank a bit, probably drank a bit too much, not gonna lie, hence we were all went to bed at like 5 I think, hence why I'm up so late. But I've just done my skincare routine, well, tried, and I'm just gonna get some breakfast. I think I'm just gonna get some of this cereal and maybe some toast, and then I'm gonna venture out today. We're gonna think about going back to the beach again today, I think. The weather outside is quite, I'll show you. It's nice. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's nice. We'll think about going back to the beach, and then yeah, so I'm just sorry about the lack of content yesterday not ending. I just wasn't feeling great, and then unexpectedly drank a lot. So I'm gonna have some cereal. So last night we played Sevens, which is a card game. We played Kings, and we played Cards Against Humanity, which Cards Against Humanity is my favourite, and I wish I kind of filmed some of that, but I just didn't. But also I think I'm going to be going to the shop today because I need to get a couple of bits, and we're going to go for a walk and then go to the beach, so I'll bring you along as well. And the weather is nice, but it is cloudy as well, so I'm going to eat up my breakfast / lunch. So I've just done my makeup, so this is just a natural makeup look, but I'm just going to show you what I'm wearing. Please excuse the messy room because it's very messy, but these are both from Penneys actually. This is like a skirt, it's like polka dots on it, and I'm just wearing this bodysuit from Penneys, and this is just my outfit for today. Literally just starting to rain now, so anyway, we're back. I literally got loads of snacks like Pringles and everything that's in here. So I think we're just gonna stay in or maybe go for a little walk, and I'm gonna read my book. So
Doesn't look great, yeah.
no, it's okay though. We're just cooking dinner. We're making spaghetti bolognese.
What's up, Fiona Callers? Back in the kitchen with Fiona, making spaghetti. Yeah, looks good.
Fiona Callers. You don't associate with that.
Get your merch, link in bio. Fiona, last day of being 20. Any last words?
Last day of having responsibilities, or not having responsibilities. I don't know. I get my life together now.
Fiona, is it true that you have a crush on Jake Paul?
Obviously not.
So it's Logan Paul.
Yeah, don't fall.
You've heard it here first. Fiona has a crush on Logan Paul. Get your Maverick merch.
Hey guys, it's Fiona. Welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm making spaghetti bolognese. So I'm about to put in the DeMio family size sauce. So that's what we're doing this.
today's outfit of the day. By the way, guys, €5 beach fix if anyone's interested. So she has shoes or sandals or flip flops or something on. Who cares?
Sliders.
She has skirts and a short kind of thing with polka dots. She has a top. She was wearing Maverick merch but took it off. Now she's flashing her breasts. And is that it, Fiona?
That's it. And it's
Face. Hello, Fiona.
look, it's got pockets.
So, breaking news. Pants have pockets.
It's a skirt that has pockets. It's very rare. It's a fiver in pennies, guys.
So it was a fiver in pennies.
This whole thing is pennies, pennies, pennies. Super,
Speaking of fiver, guys,
and I got a what?
if you would like foot pics, €5.
No, we're going like €50.
Dinner's ready. Guys, it's my birthday today. I am 21 and basically starting off the day we're going for a swim, so I'll just show you. Now please excuse the mess of the room, but I'm wearing Michael's Spider-Man top and these things, and I have these shorts. And then I have my bikini on underneath, so we're going to be going in the next few minutes. I feel good today. I feel good. So yeah, I have a new bikini on, so we're going to get some pictures and go for a swim, which I'm excited for. So yeah, what time is it? My phone is dead, as per usual. It is 11:15. 12, sorry, so we're going to be going soon. And then I'm going to come back, shower and stuff. All that fun stuff. We just stumbled into this very cute horse. Hello. She's not coming over though, but it's okay. She's beautiful. Yes, you are. Hey guys, so we're just walking down to the beach now and it looks beautiful. I'll just show you a little bit. Oh no. That's one sparkle. There it is there. Absolutely stunning. Let me turn you around. We went to that bit first and it was so rocky. Like we both found it so hard to go in, and then we went into another bit. It's actually perfect. So we're just gonna go in and might do a little time lapse or something. We're gonna get some pictures. And yeah, it's actually beautiful. It's so warm and everything. basically 3:30. I've got dinner reservations for 7, so I'm kind of running a bit short in time because I have to wash my hair and tan and all. No, I've tanned already, and straighten and do my makeup and stuff, but we're just walking around and enjoying the day. Apparently it's meant to be the last night's day for the week, and I'm really sad about that because it's absolutely beautiful. I'm just wearing like a Spider-Man shirt and literally my bikini bottoms, but we're just going to take a couple more pictures and then walk back. Hey guys, so I'm all ready now, and this is my outfit, and I'll put in some pictures, but this is, my makeup didn't turn out great, but it's okay. So we're gonna go for dinner, and then I will bring you along with me. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I look absolutely wretched, so just ignore that. It's actually late enough. It's 4:30, so I've been up since maybe, I don't know, 12. But anyway, we're not really doing much today because the weather's kind of bad, but we might go for a walk. No, but anyway, last night was amazing, so I think I wasn't that hungover today. Michael, shut up. I wasn't that hungover today, but I actually got quite drunk last night. I took a video on my phone and I'll put it in so you can see, but... Hey guys, so I'm actually really drunk, but I'm having the best birthday ever. I have these 2 vouchers on, having a great time. I'm so drunk, but it's fine. I just want to say I love you all and thanks so much for everything. And I'm 21. Look at this beautiful donkey. You're so beautiful. looks okay though. Not really bad. Yeah, neither did I. So we are just at the dune. I don't know what it's called. I'll put the name here, but it's one of the a tourist attraction in Meann, and we are trying to figure out how to get in because we came through a field and there's cows staring at us as we speak. But Michael's just gone to check if there's a better way because it's quite dangerous the way we're going. There has to be a better way, like, but we're just figuring it out. Also, I'm not very good at talking on these vlogs. I feel like a lot of it is just going to be like time lapses and stuff, so yeah, but I'll let you know how we're getting on, and hopefully we can get in because it's beautiful. And it's currently it's 8:20 and I'm bursting to go for a wee, but I'm trying to hold it off until I go home. But I really have to go, but I'll probably wait. But no, I definitely wait. I don't feel comfortable. There's cows staring at me, but yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're just in Dune Connor now, as you can see. So I sound like a TV presenter. No, it's actually lovely, and we're just going to explore it a little bit. It's actually kind of late. It's 10 to 9, but it's fine. You missed it, I slipped. What was it for?
You're still recording. Do you want to do something YouTubey? Do you want to plug your merch?
Pennies.
Link in bio.
Yeah.
What's the code? Discount code?
Fifi Mac 10.
For 10% off.
10% off. So this is literally the view on top of Dune Connor. Absolutely stunning. Those cows over there are not happy with us. So it is the next day. It's a lot late. It is 20 past 4, I think. 20 past 4, so we're starting today a little bit late. I was up earlier. I just kind of had a chilled morning and stuff. So I am going swimming, but before I'm going to go to the shop. Just walk quickly as long as no one sees me vlogging. I'm just going to go to the shop and pick up a couple of snacks, and then we're going to go swimming, and then we're going to go for a walk. So yeah, I've had such a lovely time so far. I know I haven't been talking to the camera a lot. I find it like really hard to vlog in front of people, but it's going well so far. I'll just show you the views. So this is just where we're at. Just back, and it's just started to rain, but I just got the most oversized hoodie in the world. I have shorts on underneath, but it looks like I don't. But I got this it's in an extra large, and I really like the grey colour. It's the only colour they actually had in the only size they actually had in the grey. So I'm rocking an oversized hoodie, but that's fine. So it's just started raining. So actually it wasn't too heavy, and now it's gotten really heavy. So I don't really know what we're gonna do. Can you see that? Yeah. So I just got a couple of bits in the shop. Nothing special, but I'm so random. So I just go through what I got. May as well. What else am I doing? So obviously I got this hoodie here, which is really nice. I got some mini Oreos. Got some Pringles in this flavour. It's peri peri chicken flavour, which is really nice. You can't see me. Sorry, I'm not the best with angles. And then I got chicken flavour noodles. A bag of popcorn. I got wagon wheels and toilet paper as well. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do now, but I'll keep you posted. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I didn't film a lot of yesterday because we basically just stayed indoors because it pissed rain the whole day. But it is actually 20 to 4. We've just come back from the shop. We've got some goodies. Ah, look! Can you see him? We've got some goodies for dinner, and then Michael and I are going to go to the beach, and we're going to go exploring and find some cliffs and stuff, and then we're going to go to the pub later for some drinks. So that's kind of what we're doing. It's our last full day, leaving tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see how the rest of the vlog. So we're just on our way to the beach now. Absolutely stunning. Into the water. It's absolutely gorgeous. Michael's been a baby, still hasn't gotten in and stayed in.
I did Wednesday.
Yeah, it's cold. Okay, but it's actually lovely, and there's just the cutest dogs here, and everyone is so nice. So we're gonna just see where the day takes us. Having loads of fun. It is freezing, it's windy, but it's worth it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going up to Sing's Chair. Michael and I haven't been yet. And then we're going to go for a cliff walk and see where that takes us, and then we might go to the pub for a couple of drinks. And that's basically our evening. So we're just on our way to Chalk Sing now. No, sorry, Sing's Chair, not Chalk Sing, but the Cottier Sing. And we're just absolutely gorgeous. So we're just walking through literally a field of rocks, and it's absolutely stunning. So we're on the way to Sing's Chair now, and it's just the most beautiful place I think I've ever been. So this is Cottier Sing. So it's literally just, I don't really know much about it, to be honest, but this is it here. I'll show you the signpost. It's just here. It's absolutely stunning. Like, look at this, just unreal. So we're doing taking pictures here, and then I look like an idiot. We're taking some pictures here, and we're gonna go try and do a cliff walk, but we need to be leaving in about an hour. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. Love it. So that last shot that you may have seen of the waves close up was Michael hanging off a cliff edge, trying to be fucking photographic while I'm there having a fucking heart attack that he's gonna die. So now we're walking even more into the cliff, so we're just looking at it's fucking windy, so.
Do you have a message for your followers? Say hi.
No.
Do you want to say hi?
No!
Why not?
I don't want it, you're a dickhead.
Did you have a good day?
Until now.
Why?
You're being a dickhead.
Why?
Because you're stupid.
Did you enjoy the cliffs?
Yeah.
Were they scary?
No, they weren't. Standing at the edge of a cliff isn't scary at all.
Was they beautiful?
Yeah, just fuck off out my face.
Okay, what's the best part of Meann, Fiona?
My bed. Where I am safe, not dying on the edge of a cliff. Go away.
Okay, and this code is youraddickhead.com for 10% off this beautiful Meann jumper. Link in bio.
Hey guys, so we're just, it's the next week, it's 22nd of August, we're just celebrating Roskilde. I don't know if I'm saying that right, in Galway. I'll explain that later. We're just here, nothing here, right now, so it is, so yeah, that's the all we did today. We'll just have lunch and that was it, because I'll explain the whole story later.